Hello and welcome to our first day of Christmas break. No school for the next 2 weeks.
Yay!
So, today we are going to make some Snickerdoodles. It's my favorite, or one of my favorite cookies, but Daddy loves Snickerdoodles, doesn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't Daddy like Snickerdoodles? Hey?
Yes.
Yes? Do you like Snickerdoodles?
I like chicken doodles.
Chicken doodles? What are chicken doodles?
They're alive.
They're alive.
They like to eat blood.
Ew! Okay, moving on. We're going to make Snickerdoodles. And we're going to start with our butter and our shortening in the bowl here. And then we're going to get that going.
And then we're going to put the other stuff
Yep. That's right, ready?
It's like a helicopter.
It is like a helicopter. Taking off. Taking off. What do you think?
Do it like to 10.
To 10? No, I don't want to do it to 10. Because it might blow up. You don't want it to blow up. Is that funny? Alright. Alright, we got our butter and our shortening nice and creamed. So, the next thing that we're going to add is the sugar.
Sugar.
Alright, here, Bubba, you want to dump that in? Got it?
Woo! Sugar's the best part.
We have granulated sugar, and then we have brown sugar and honey. You want to dump that in?
Mm-hmm.
Careful, careful.
Careful.
There we go. Alright. Hand me that. We'll set that aside.
Now we're going to start again.
That's right. We are going to start again. We're not going up to 10.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
I think I know what we're making. I think I've seen it before.
Well, they're Snickerdoodles.
Ooh. Sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar. Go sugar. Go sugar. Go sugar.
Okay. Now we've whipped our butter and shortening and honey and brown sugar and granulated sugar. Now we're going to do the eggs and vanilla.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Do you want to do it? Okay. All right. Okay, that would have been bad.
Yeah.
All right. Good job, buddy.
I told you I'm careful.
Oh, you told me you're careful. Are you a professional? Are you a chef?
No.
No. What do you mean no?
Only when I grow up.
Oh, only when you grow up. Okay. We're going to beat that together.
We did it at the same time.
Yeah, we didn't do that at the same time. That's right.
I got a little kitchen over there.
Yeah, you do have a kitchen over there.
Yeah, but that's not, that we're getting rid of. Yeah, but I'm getting rid of.
Okay.
I don't like it anymore.
You don't like it anymore? Why? You want a real kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm real tired.
Okay. Now we get to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to do a little bit of flour.
Can I do it?
Nah, I'm going to do this one because this will get super, super messy and then you'll be covered in flour. So we're going to put half the amount of flour. But you know what? Guess what? Okay. You want to dump the salt in there?
Yes.
Well, here.
Yeah.
Dump the salt in there. There you go. You want to dump the baking powder in there?
Jump. This looks like flour.
It's baking powder. Dump all of it. All right. You dump the baking. Ew. All
I need to get in.
right. You dump the baking soda. Ah! Apparently that's funny. All right. You want to dump the cinnamon?
Ew. That was disgusting. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Can we eat it like this?
No, we can't. Yuck. No.
It's
It's going to taste a lot better in the cookies. Okay.
Yay.
All right.
No,
Start that up a little bit.
It's getting lighter.
Yep. we're gonna put the rest of the flour in there. There's a little bit left.
Can I do it?
No, I got this. Remember, this is the really messy one. I don't trust you in messy. Are you messy?
No, you're messy.
Yeah, I am, but you know.
All of us are messy.
Don't do that. Ooh, there it goes again. There it goes again. Ready? I forgot our spatula. I'm gonna run and get our spatula. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Right back.
Okay.
Behave for the video camera.
Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna go and do this. I did this. So, if you didn't know, he is about to turn 5. Oh. He's about to turn 5.
Yeah, he is about to turn 5. Okay, we're gonna scrape
Yeah,
this
I was
down.
thinking about a spatula.
You were thinking, you were.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Like scooping all of that out.
Yep. Well, we gotta push it down, and then.
Put it in the. I gotta pee.
What are you singing?
I was just staring at it.
It's all ready. All right.
Now, and then turn
Boy,
it into cookies. How am I eating?
you can't eat it like this, man. Come on. You gotta wait. Wait till the finished product. He wants a spoon to start eating the cookie dough. Now.
He likes cookies. I'm gonna start eating.
I'm gonna eat you.
Was that yummy?
Yes. It was yummy.
You
That
eat
was
me.
yummy. I'm gonna eat you.
I eat your tummy.
You're gonna eat my tummy?
All your blood's coming out.
Yuck.
We're not talking about that when we make food.
Yes, thank you. I agree. I think that's a great concept. All right. Now we got our baking pan.
Can we make it into cookies?
That's the plan, to make it into cookies. Okay. We have our scooper.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Hold on. Hold on.
And after her, I'm gonna do it.
Okay. First of all, we're gonna scoop them out. These spread a little bit. So we've got our cookies. And since they spread some, we're gonna space them out
I
just a
eat
little bit. Now we're not eating it yet.
I eat it.
I'm gonna eat you, boy.
I'm gonna eat you. All your blood's coming out.
Yeah. Let's not say that.
We
That's
already talked
with
about
that creepy laugh that you're talking about that. I'm a little freaked out. All right, now. Y'all get along. Okay.
Are you gonna make more?
Yeah, right. Yeah, we're gonna make more. We got plenty more. Now, what we do with these is we'll take each one now that we've scooped it out, press it out just a little bit, because we don't want our cookies to get too thin, right? Right? Why are you touching it? And then we roll it in the brown sugar and cinnamon. Hold on.
I eat like
Slow
this.
your roll, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Here.
Can I do it too?
Yes, you can do it. Take one. Take a cookie. Flatten it just a little bit, 'cause we still want them to be kind of thick. That's fine. Now put it in there. Kind of turn it around. There you go. Look at that! Yep, and then just put it back, because with Snickerdoodles, we want to have that cinnamon and sugar on top. Good job, bud.
How many are we gonna eat?
All of them.
All of them?
All of them.
Yay. Yay.
No, that's way too much sugar.
I wish we could. Can we eat one?
I wish we could too. Yeah, we're gonna eat one after they come out of the oven. We'll eat one.
How many?
One.
Huh? I'm gonna eat two.
No. Too much sugar. Sugar.
This one's gonna have a lot of sugar.
Yeah? It's already got a lot of sugar in it. I
This
swear
one's
it
right.
does. Where does that one go? Okay. And then we want to space these out on the pan a good bit. Cause it, oh, did you get stuff all over your hands? All right, bud. Okay, let's put that right
Can we eat one
there.
every day?
Every day?
Until they're gone.
Till they're gone? I don't know, maybe. All right, now we're gonna put them in the oven.
I mean, it's Christmas break. Christmas break.
Sugar every day during Christmas break. How great.
I eat your. It's amazing. I eat your blood.
Stop saying that.
Oh, Cosmo. Drinking blood. Drinking blood.
You ain't right in the head.
Drinking blood. Drinking jug. Mommy, I need this one.
Which one are you gonna eat?
That one's this. I'm gonna have this one.
You're gonna eat that one?
Yeah.
Well, it's time to eat some cookies. You ready to eat some cookies?
Yes!
Are you sure? Are you ready to eat some cookies?
Yes!
Let's eat some cookies. All right, what you gonna get that one? All right. Whoa, where are you going? You gonna go sit and watch your Christmas movie while you eat your cookie? What's your favorite Christmas
Can I
movie?
go give this to Daddy?
Wait.
Which bag?
What? Polar Express?
Mm-hmm.
Polar Express. So he's gonna eat a Snickerdoodle while watching Polar Express. What are you gonna watch while you eat your Snickerdoodle?
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay.
Okay, can I go give this to Daddy?
Well, Alex, you gonna come tell everybody bye?
Bye, Daddy.
They